Trevor, I got the word, dog.
Motors?
We're getting motors!
Yeah!
Let's go!
Heck yeah, dude.
You better wait for Cam.
Should we?
You better. He'll be all. He says anything, be like, you didn't wait to open the wheels when I got back.
Alright, so Cameron couldn't be here. Me and Tanner just received the motors. Let's slice them open, see what condition they're in. Looks like they hooked us up with some stickers too. Motors look pretty good. These look a lot nicer than the ones we looked at that were in JDM, Arizona or whatever. Pretty happy with the quality. We'll see though once we do the swap in mine. Little girl over there, see how it goes.
A couple days later, and we are getting the first motor in the air for Trevor's car. How's the straps looking? These seatbelt straps were already from the crate that they used. We had this conversation a little bit ago, updating you guys when we weren't recording. Trevor brought to our attention, do we compression test it or do we not? But there's no way to test it unless we have a starter hooked up to it or something to turn the crank. So we're gonna ask some of our friends, but for now, I mean, I don't think we can, do you?
There's nothing we can do yet.
But we need to get Trevor's car inside, which it's on the side of the house, but I'll show you guys the progress. We got our toolboxes, welder, jack stands right there. I need to paint mine black. And then we got this rack to put cleaning supplies on. And then we got another rack that's being painted black out there so it matches. So it's coming together. We're pretty stoked, but let's get Trevor's car in here.
Okay. Next time she leaves, she'll be running.
This motor is not just a motor we got from anywhere. We got it from JDM of California. We had them ship it out, and it's actually very reasonable to have them ship something to Arizona. We actually saved money instead of buying local, which we wanted to, but I reached out to David at JDM of California. We worked out a deal, and David's amazing customer service, just super easy, makes the whole process simple. Getting a new motor can be kind of scary, but we got some motors that are imported from Japan. So apparently there's a law with like insurance going up and stuff like that when your car has over 50,000 miles. So all of these JDM importers are bringing motors from Japan out of cars that people part out at 50,000 miles apparently. I'm not sure too much on the details or how legitimate, but I mean, that's what all of them claim, that's what all of them talk about. So we're hoping that these motors are actually like as strong as any motor would be at 50,000 miles. So Trevor's got the one with the clutch exposed, and then mine just has the flywheel exposed, and then we're gonna see what happens. But yeah, if you guys need an engine, if you guys want a car or need an engine for your car, hit up JDM California. Their Instagram's on the screen, their website is below, all their information. It's just a simple process, and it was $200 to have not one but two motors shipped out, which I haven't showed you guys one. I got one for my car already. Because my car has so many miles on it, I wanted to get something fresh because if we're gonna start drifting it, cheapest motor would be, if it blew, is to just buy one of these. So we just bought two at once to make it easy, save money on shipping. So VQ35DE, this is 0304 motor, and yeah, the heads look pretty clean. Everything about it, we're not too nervous. We want to know the compression, but there's no way. But other than that, I just want to take that moment and let you guys know about JDM of California, and that it's a good source for an engine and it should have pretty low miles. This is my engine. Same exact thing, a little bit more rusted pulleys, but other than that, nothing much. Probably came off an automatic, that's why there's no clutch on it, it's just a flywheel. Correct me if I'm wrong. So that's exciting. 177,000 miles, hopefully around 50K. Pop the hood. Trevor, you want to give us a little bit of backstory on what it was like when your engine blew up, leading up to it, how it reacted?
So the car throughout its like life,
How many miles does it have on it?
has 130,000 miles. Previous owner must have drove it hard, just not taking care of it, because some of these cars burn oil, but like this was extremely bad. I was thought I was compensating like way too much, and I was putting like a quart every 1,000 miles because that's how much it was burning. Apparently it's burning more than that. Must have threw a bearing or something because it developed rod knock. Rod knock got worse and worse and worse.
How long did it have rod knock?
Probably like 2 months, 3 months, like a light rod knock when I first noticed it. And then it got kept on getting louder and louder. And then I was like cruise control 75 on the freeway, and it popped, shut off, white smoke all out the back.
You have it on Snapchat, right?
Yeah, I do.
We'll have to insert that video.
Yeah, so.
Expectations now. Where's your head at right now? First motor swap. I'm in this with you, but this is your car, so.
I want to stay like as organized as possible with the whole thing. Try to like not get ahead of ourselves and not get too excited, and just take it slow, make sure cover all our bases and label everything, double check everything, make sure I'm always using the better parts from the two motors, whichever looks better. Yeah.
Well, peeps, we're not starting it in this video, but we're starting it probably in the next video or the one after that. It's going to be an ongoing process. It's going to be kind of like vlog style, so if you guys want to know about Trevor's motor swap going down, keep up with the vids. We're going to throw it in here and there. Even though the titles might be educational stuff, we might throw them in the video, so be aware. Subscribe to the channel, check out all the videos. I really appreciate it. We're here to learn with you guys. You guys can teach us things in the comments. We want to teach you things on video. I'm really, really excited. Remember, in the garage video, karmaspeed.com, first shirts are on pre-order if you guys want to get one. I don't even have one yet, but they're shipping out the first week of April. I'm working hard to get that done, so I'd really appreciate if you guys check that out. And we're really stoked to have two Z's here soon, and we're going to be getting sideways, maybe a little tandem, and doing all kinds of fun stuff for you guys. So, and well, us of course. So anyways, catch you guys in the next one. Later.